Good day all. So following up from my previous video, which was how to create a mandatory user profile, within this video I will be demonstrating how to create and configure group policies. Alright, so to begin, within the Server Manager dashboard, you would first be hitting Tools. You're going into Active Directory, Users and Computers. Within your domain, you would want to create by right clicking, then click New Organizational Unit, or you can hit this button here and you give it a name. So for this organizational unit, for this video, I would name this iTech 124 and click OK. Then within this folder now, I would create two additional OUs, one for the computers, so I would name this one computers, well, computer, since I only have one client machine. Click OK, and then add a second one named users. Alright, so within my iTech 124 organizational unit, I have computer and users. Okay guys, now within these folders, we would move the relevant items. So within computers, I would cut my one and only client machine computer, and I will paste it inside of here, inside of the computer folder I already created. Click yes, so now it appears here. And secondly, I would go into users, and I have a few users I had created, so I would cut it and paste it into the organizational unit named users. Paste it there, hit yes, and I will take my test one user as well. Alright, just to verify that they have been moved, right? And then users, I'm seeing my users. Okay, so next I would close off that window. I would go into tools and I will go into group policy management next. Right, within here now, I would right click and click create a GPU. So within this field, you want to put a name for your new group policy object. Alright, after defining your name, you'd click OK. Okay, already have that name. Alright, now you want to right click and click edit. Then under user configurations, you want to drop down policies, then you want to drop down administrative template, and for this instance I would be restricting access to the control panel, but within the business environment, let's say a company with many users, etc., here you can pre-configure a lot of policies where it is uniformed for each users. And if you go through all these settings, you can configure settings for the desktop, icons, printers, and a whole set of others. For this video, I'll just be configuring the control panel. So I'll double click on control panel, and I'm going to prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. In order to do this, you would have to right click on it and click edit. Then here now you would click enable, you'd click apply, and then you'd hit OK. Alright, now we can exit this group policy management. Before logging on to our client machine to test and make sure that the policy is actually working, we're just going to bring up the command prompt. So within the search bar, you type cmd, enter, and click gp update. When this has been successfully completed, we would X off the screen, and now we can switch across to our client machine and ensure that the group policy is indeed working. So I'm going to switch to my Windows 7 machine. I'm going to log in. I'm going to log into one of my users. Let's try test 1. Okay guys, after logging into my test 1 account, I'm going to test to see if I can open control panel or not. Alright, so the restrictions are in place and the user test 1 cannot open control panel as we restricted within the group policy. This now brings me to an end to this video. As usual, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.